Box money. Gives a little over. We can get together.
We're to cover these blueberries and then bring it up some more. Like one more level, we'll put more blueberries in, and then our next level will be our graham cracker
Okay.
crust.
So y'all just tell me when.
Okay.
I say keep going, let's get it halfway full. Let's stop about there. That should be good. We have all of these to paint. These are the ones we're gonna send pictures to the customer and see if she's happy with the color scheme. These are her chosen colors, so let's see what we can do for her. I like the black and the burgundy. That's right.
All right.
You're rolling.
Unmold some green pieces.
Let's see.
Ow. Ow. No, it's because you're filming me. And I'm having a hard time.
Well,
with
I don't
today.
want to have to be filming you. I want this camera to sit somewhere.
Well, I know.
You know what? We're gonna learn how to do the clippy thing. So here, yeah, you know where we do it fast paced. Hold that up and like at the camera, so we can see how. Yeah, or hold it up in the light or whatever. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. There you go. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna cut 99% of this. It's just gonna be hold this clip, hold this clip, hold this. Oh, she's like Mardi Gras. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
She's like Mardi Gras.
Okay, so you did one in green.
I did all the green wax. One has purple glitter, one has gold glitter, and one has silver glitter.
Awesome.
So.
Okay.
So that's the.
It's like the Mardi Gras set.
Right, exactly.
You should decorate that with Mardi Gras color stones. And if we have any like Mardi Gras
little things
specific,
yeah,
we gotta decorate that up cute.
And that's the silver lady.
Okay. Nice.
So that's what we got. That's kind of good.
Yay!